do you think today's gonna go?
We're gonna catch a lot of fish.
Really?
I know, right? He's a smaller dude. I'll let him go.
Yo, get out of the fucking motor.
He's teeny. Really, dude? It's a monster! Look at that thing. Oh my god. Now here he is gonna struggle.
Bye-bye.
There you go. See, that was a fishing technique right there.
Oh, quick release. Ready? I'm trying. Shut up. That's a big one, Mike.
Right?
Ow. See, Mike. So Mike, how'd the fishing go today?
Great. Cut 15 total.
Bring me a bullet. Fishing the boat. Hey-o!
There's our special technique. Use the towel. And grab him. Your turn.
I think I can really fit. I can get my knee on. Nice. Get the sunshine. Bring him in.
Get him in, Mike.
Oh, that's a big one.
Hold him up.
That's a good
Hold him up,
one.
Mike. Mike, hold him up.
Hold on.
And this is Mike's technique.
Here, Mom, you can actually get a better view of him. I'm like way too close. It's ready recording.
There we go.
And now they both have one
Look
on.
at them both jump.
Both on. Trying to get the.
I think I got another good one.
Both boys have fish on.
Uh-oh. They like falling.
There you go, right?
That doesn't work, actually.
Oh, you got a nice one off.
Oh, that's a good one, Mike.
Two awesome fish. Just like that. Put your arm down, Mike, a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Coming at the big end.
This is our last fish, just to let you know. Or we just release it.
Yeah. I didn't think it was a big one.
Wait for that lunker. Biggest one ever. Grandpa and I used to just do catch and release all day long.
Yeah.
Maybe I've already released this one.
Nope.
Oh no, he's there. Woohoo! He's a jumper. Oh, he's a jumper. Come on, buddy. Woohoo! Oh, he's pulling.
Man.
Gotta bring him back.
Good.
Oh, yeah. Coming in, little bugger. He's a fighting bugger. Oh dear.
Pull this thing up here. Hold your hand up here more. And you have more control of it up there.
He gave up. It's not pushing so much now. He's seen the death.
Mike, that's you.
He's seen the death on the side of this
Oh,
boat.
he's. Uh-oh, we got problems.
Here, bring it up here.
Hold the fish, Paula.
La la la, little fish. Oh my God.
Oh, grab, I'm gonna give it to you. Hold on to the fly. Grab the fly.
Ow!
Here,
That was the pokey part.
grab the fly. Let some line out. You're really too far on the line.
Ah, my.
Okay, grab the fly.
Okay.
There.
Ow, he's doing it!
Really?
He was trying to bite me.
You hold the fly.
He was trying to bite
He
me.
wasn't. Oh my God, no.
You just let him go.
You gotta hold him for one part, Paula.
Hold on to the fly.
Just hold on to the string. Why are you having making hold on to the fly?
Yeah,
There you go.
There. There.
Here and go. Make
But I
this
can't
slide through
reel.
your.
I can't reel that
Then make
way.
that fingers go like this with your pinky, and just barely hold on to your pinky there. You can hold these fingers on tight. This pinky has to be loose.
Ow, ow, those are crippled fingers. Now I'm going the wrong way and I mess up his thing. That fish is probably dead out there by now.
He's still on.
Is he?
Yeah.
Thank God. The way I reel in, they gotta be lunked in there good. Down, 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 down.
Yeah, he's still on.
Oh, he's a fighter. Oh.
Chance, get out of the way.
Mike, he's in your. I think he's in your. I'm struggling now. Something's happening. Something's happening.
All to one side, so it's
Yeah.
I better do this now.
Strip it in.
Did you seriously just catch one? Yeah. Are you kidding me?
Okay. Okay, bring it up here.
Whoa! Oh, damn. Paula, hold your fish.
Gotta let some line out.
And as we are sitting here talking about Paula's fish, Mike just caught a fish.
Mike just got a fish. Yoo-hoo! What did I do with him, Mike?
You wanna release him?
It scares me when I do that.
You wanna release him?
Yeah.
So Mike, how was the fishing this weekend?
Fishing was good. Caught a lot of fish at 2 different lakes. And used flies, lures, and kept catching them. Okay, done. Take it and you like to slap people. It's more fun to do.
Finger fish.
Hey!
Hey, that's good meat.
Go get it, damn it. Ow! That slapped me hard.
What?
Nothing, I'm getting up.
Don't even. It's over. It's done.
No, it's not.
Yes,
I
it is.
missed you.
You hit me with your slap fish earlier. Leave it be. Really?
Okay.
You done? You done? You done? You done?